In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Paperform to MailerLite. We'll start in MailerLite because the first thing you need is access to the API connection. Log into your MailerLite account, then go to the integrations area and open MailerLite API. From there, generate a new API token. You can give it a simple label like Paperform so it's easy to recognize later. Once the token is created, copy it and store it somewhere secure because you'll need it in just a moment to connect the two platforms. Next, switch over to Paperform, log in, head to your dashboard, and open the form you want to connect to MailerLite. Then click Edit so you can access the form editor. This is where you'll set up what happens after someone submits the form. Inside the editor, click After Submission, then choose Integrations and Webhooks. Under Direct Integrations, select MailerLite. For the action, choose Add Subscriber. This tells Paperform that each new form submission should create a subscriber in your MailerLite account. Now click Add Account Plus. A pop-up will appear asking for your MailerLite API token. Paste the token you copied earlier, then click Connect MailerLite. Give it a moment while Paperform verifies the connection. Once the account is connected, you can configure the subscriber details. Under Email Address, select the email question from your Paperform. This part is essential, since MailerLite needs an email address to create the subscriber. Under Name, choose the matching name field if your form includes one. If you also collect company information, you can map that as well. Then select the MailerLite group where you want new subscribers to be added. If you use additional fields in MailerLite, you can map those here too so your subscriber data stays organized. After that, it's time to test everything. Submit a test response through your Paperform first. This is important because Paperform's Send Test feature needs a recent submission with real field data to work correctly. Then return to the MailerLite integration settings in Paperform and click Send Test. Check that the test submission is sent successfully. If it looks good, click Create or Finish Setup to activate the integration. Finally, go back to MailerLite and log in if needed. Open subscribers, then go into the group you selected during setup. Confirm that your test subscriber appears there. If you have an automation that starts when someone joins that group, make sure the subscriber also enters the correct automation. And that's it. Your Paperform is now connected to MailerLite, and new submissions should flow directly into your chosen subscriber group.